I spent some time figuring out what exchange is actually checking, and I realized it's not only about the wallet owner, it's also about the history behind funds. Every transaction stays on the blockchain, so if crypto passed through hacked wallets, scam addresses, or other risky sources before they reached you, some exchanges may decide to review the deposit more carefully. And that's when I changed the way I move crypto. Instead of sending first and hoping everything goes through, I check the wallet first. So what is AML? It's short for anti-money laundering. Exchanges use AML screening to understand whether incoming crypto has a transaction history that could require additional review. That helps reduce the movement of stolen funds, hacked assets, scam proceeds, and other illicit transactions while making the platform safer for everyday users. Once I understood that, I started looking for a tool that could check my wallets before I sent anything. I compared a few of them, ran several scans, and this is the one I stayed with. It covers major blockchains, the report is ready quickly, and everything is laid out in a way that's easy to understand. I'll leave the official link in the pinned comment below. And one quick reminder, be careful where you click. Fake crypto websites are everywhere, and they often look almost identical to the real ones. Always make sure you're opening the official page before connecting your wallet. So let's run a scan. I'll leave Ethereum selected and choose MetaMask. Good, report is ready. And the first thing I always check is the overall rating. This wallet shows low risk, that's a good sign. Based on the transaction history analyzed, there aren't any major high-risk indicators showing up here, so I generally feel more comfortable using this wallet with exchanges that perform AML screening. Now let's scroll down. Here's the wallet age, basic transaction activity, source of funds, recent transfers, and compliance section. If there's something unusual in the wallet history, this is usually where you'll notice it. So that's exactly what I needed. Report looks good, wallet checks out, and now I have a much clearer picture before moving any funds. That's really why I do this. I'd rather spend 60 seconds checking a wallet than spend the next few days wondering why a deposit is being reviewed. These days, anytime I'm sending a meaningful amount of crypto to centralized exchange, I run an AML scan first, then I move the funds. For me, that's just part of the process now. So that's it for this video. Hope now AML feels a lot less confusing and you can see why I think it's worth checking a wallet before sending crypto to an exchange. If you've got a question or there's something you'd like me to cover next, leave a comment below. I'll read through them. For me, this isn't about making crypto more complicated. It's the opposite. A quick check up front gives me more confidence before I hit send and helps me avoid unnecessary surprises later. Thanks for watching.